Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C220. In this video I'll show you how to activate and manage cruise control. In the beginning, take a look behind the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Pull it downwards to activate cruise control. Now accelerate to desired speed and again pull the lever downwards. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. To increase the speed, push the lever upwards. To decrease it, push it downwards. To pause it, push it forward. To start it over, pull it. And to disable it, again pull it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.